this video we are going to propagate an Aglaonema. The process of propagating an Aglaonema in the Dieffenbachia is the same. But before I continue, please click the subscribe and notification bell to keep you updated with my next videos. So this is our Aglaonema here. So doesn't matter whether you have an Aglaonema or a Dieffenbachia. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but the process is basically the same. So this is quite long already. It is already a regrowth from a new, from an old. There's already an old cut here. So what we are going to do, we'll just cut here, like that. So this becomes a new plant, and we'll also cut this big plant here. So we'll remove this cut, and we'll cut until this last. Okay. So you can cut until the just above the soil, maybe lower than this one, and then you need to wait. You can wait until a new growth like this one will come out. So this is actually a new growth. After that, you can. So yeah, this is a new growth. So after that, you can now transfer this one to a new pot. But this soil here is clay. It's quite hard to do it right now. So but basically that is the concept. You just don't transfer it yet when you just cut it off, because it is much faster to grow a new plant if you just leave it here. And this one here actually is just around more than a month, I think, like maybe 2 months. As you can see, the leaves is actually very big already. So when it reaches this big, that's the time that you can plant it to a new pot like this one. So just plant it like that, and after you place it like that, you place it in a bright indirect sunlight, because if you place it in a sunny area, this leaves here will be damaged. So that is the importance of the Aglaonema, is the leaves. You need to protect it. So after that, we're going to cut the stem. So if you have a very long stem like this one, you actually have too many Aglaonema to propagate. If you just cut it one segment apart. So for this one, I can only have 2 segments. This segment here actually have a new growth already, and you can now place this new segment to a new pot. So we have a new pot here. Just place it just enough to have it covered. Don't place it too deep, because if you place it too deep, it will take too long for a new plant to grow. So just enough that the stem is covered, and then you need to wait maybe at least 1.5, about 6 weeks at least, to get a new growth. So I have already made this one. This plant here is about 3 months, I think. So these are count from the stem that was one segment away, and this one here I think is 2 months old. Also this one here. So they don't actually grow simultaneously. They have each variety have their own speed in growing. So that is basically like that to propagating Aglaonema. That is just very easy. So this one you can place it in a new pot, and maybe in about 1 month it will grow as big as this one. Okay, so thank you for watching.